Monday morning, like about 50 minutes before US session open. It's been a while, so I decided to do another video finally trading the Rev Out Scalping indicator on the King Renko bot 12.4. Now I did change a couple of things in the settings a little bit. Let me show you this here. So first of all, I like trading in the direction of the trend only. There are a few options here, but I prefer the one that's trend following. And I also changed this from 10 to 6, and this is 2. I think the actual it comes with 4, but I prefer 2. So these are the settings. Another way I trade it is that I only take the first trade in a sequence. So here is one. Like I would take this long, and I would not take this long. It's the second trade in the same direction. I would wait, just like here, right? Here's the short. It's the first short or the first long that tend to be the best signals. So now again, between like 9:30 and maybe 12, there might not be much narration, as I will be with my Discord group. If I still take any trades afterwards, then there will be some narration, but I'll basically just leave the recording running and see how many trades I can catch. Again, I will try to get only the first signal in a given direction, unless there is some kind of a reset. Let's say price really goes down and then there was another long, then I would consider another long. But if there was a simple continuation like this, I'm going to try and avoid that. All right, see how it's going to go.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Right, so a bit after 2 o'clock, just came back from my lunch. So I'm looking for a long now. So we had a whole bunch of shorts, which worked out beautifully. But now I'm looking for a long. As I said, I always prefer to take the first trade in the sequence. See the difference between this one, which maybe was enough for a scalp, I'm not sure. But this one was the one, right? So, looking for a long. Alright, so here's the short.
Order filled.
It's going to be the last trade for today, as it is getting a bit late here. Since this is the last trade of the day, maybe I just want to make sure that I'll nail it. So I'm going to put my stop kind of above that pivot there, just to be sure. But it should hit it anyway. Comes.
Target filled.
Here it is. Okay, so hit my daily target for this trading session on this chart. That was great. That was great. Really beautiful. Now again, so why did I take a short here Weren't there shorts already? Yes, but you see how this is pretty much a reset. Even though there was no long signal, this is a reset because price did try to go higher, hit its head on this pivot here, and then gave me a short signal, which is just perfect. All right, dashboard and some final words next. So yeah, it's been a while since I traded with the Rev Out. I think the Rev Out was actually the first indicator that I made a video for ninzaRenko. I think it was the Rev Out indicator. So again, a terrific indicator, especially if you take the first signal. So in this case, here is the first signal long, right, which worked out absolutely beautiful. And again, you do need to kind of, tweak the settings every now and then, depending on what the market is doing. But once you get it right, this indicator is terrific. So again, thank you. Please leave a like. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more videos of this sort. Check out the description, of course, for any good deals from ninzaRenko. Thank you guys, and see you next time.